Hi guys! This time I will show you how to use this duck meat to make the incredible delicious Kamonanban Soba. What is Kamonanban Soba? I think there are many people who thought Kamonanban Soba means soba noodles with duck meat and green onions. Kamonanban Soba means soba noodles with duck meat and spring onions. The original of the name is described in the outline of the video, so please watch it if you are interested. Then, いってらっしゃい! Remove excess skin and tendon. In French cuisine, the skin is cut into the surface to make it easier to drain the fat. However, duck fat has a delicious flavor, so this time we dare not cut into it and do not remove too much fat. 0.8% salt by weight of meat and pepper. It is said that the salt concentration that humans find most palatable is between 0.8% and 1%. It is said that the reason it tastes so good is because it is close to the salinity of human body fluids. Cut 2 green onions to about 5 cm. Slice the other 2 diagonally. Put 100 cc of mirin in a small pot and heat it over medium heat. Bring to a boil, then turn up the heat and completely remove the alcohol. This udon soup can be stored in the fridge for over a month and can be used for various Japanese dishes, so it is recommended. When the fire goes out, it is a signal that the alcohol component is gone. Add soy sauce and turn off the heat. Add granulated dashi. Cook the duck. Place skin side down in pan. Heat over medium heat. There is no need to add oil to the pan, as the fat will be released from the duck while it's cooking. Press the duck against the frying pan by hand several times. The fat has come out. As explained earlier, duck fat has umami. Place the fat in a bowl as it will be used for the soup. It has a delicious running. Turn it over and lightly heat the meat. For duck, you may use the French technique called arrows, which is cooked while sprinkling the fat that comes out on the meat. But since the frying pan uses Teflon process, this time we have changed to this method of grilling. This is because the Teflon may be scratched when scooping out the fat with a spoon. Cook the whole thing, rolling it frequently. As it cooks, the duck meat expands and swells. This is the signal of completion. Take it out and let it rest for a while. Cook the green onions with the duck fat left in the frying pan. If you cook the green onions with a lot of fat, the fat will splash. So if there is a lot of fat, remove it. When browned, it is okay. Boil soba noodles in boiling water. Boil time is okay with the time stated on the package. After boiling, wash your soba noodles in ice water once. Rinsing in ice water prevents soba noodles from getting soggy and improves their texture. This single step makes a difference in the finished product. Let's cut the duck. Great finish! Very juicy. Cut into appropriate thicknesses. I can't wait to eat. Two tablespoons duck fat, 4 tablespoons mentsuyu, 300 cc hot water. Soba noodles reheated in hot water, duck and 2 kinds of green onions. Finish with grated ginger on top as desired. いただきます. Let's try the soup first. The taste of duck is melting into the soup. Very tasty. Let's eat soba too. Since it was washed with the ice water, it has a firm texture. The texture is so good. Let's eat that too. Oh, very juicy. The more you chew, the more and more flavor comes out of the duck. And this time, I even prepared some Japanese spices from left to right, black shichimi, Sansho, and yuzu. This time, sprinkle a little Sansho. This special Sansho is very fragrant. This Sansho is used not only in upscale restaurants in Japan, but also in high-end restaurants abroad, including the American restaurant Single Thread Hesburg, which received 3 Michelin stars in the Michelin Guide. Happy scent. It is completely different from Chinese Sansho. I can't stop the chopsticks. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel.